Dito ka na sa 6-seater solar EV na kaya lahat. Introducing NXT City 6, ang bagong solar 6-seater ride na swak sa city life. Whether for school service, daily errands, negosyo, or transport options, NXT City 6 gives you comfort, style, at convenience all in one powerful 6-seater city ride. Powered by a 1,800 watts brushless motor at 60 volts 38 amperes lead-acid battery. Kaya nitong dalhin ka 30 to 40 kilometers on a single charge. Perfect for daily trips, errands, o kahit school service. With comfortable seats for 6, lahat makaka-enjoy sa ride. Hindi lang pang pamilya, perfect din para sa negosyo, small transport services, o delivery needs. May 160 watts monocrystalline solar panel pa for added boost sa battery mo. Ride smoothly kahit rough ang daan. Thanks to front hydraulic suspension with spring shocks at rear suspension. 3.5 by 10 tires with 180mm hydraulic disc brakes sa likod. Ensure safe at stable braking. May reverse mode pa para easy maneuvering sa tight spots. Reverse camera for safety at kaya mo rin magdala ng hanggang 450 kilos. Perfect for groceries, negosyo, or family trips. Panalo din sa features ang NXT City 6. Charging is easy. 7 to 8 hours lang gamit ang 4.8 amperes charger. Safety and convenience? Check! Top light, Bluetooth, wiper, at spare tire para worry-free ang bawat biyahe. With a dimension of 316 by 95 by 186. Gross weight, 320 kilograms. Battery weight, 61 kilograms. NXT CP6 comes with the following warranty. 1 year for motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test your one today.